वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं शेख मज़ार। आप देख रहे हैं SSA के न्यूज़। चलिए देखते हैं आज की अहम खबर।
Like to tell the authorities at Delhi that they should come and visit this college. I'm meeting West Control Bank of India very soon. Yes. And I will get college where he can go and meet, see the facilities that are available. Maybe we will invite him once.
When we are on border, every doctor will suggest to go for next checkup. Go professor same dip
Honorable Vice President, Honorable Secretary, Telangana, faculty members, and dear students. I wish to congratulate all the office bearers of the society for having thought of opening a stall in the exhibition ground for the benefit of the people to know about what is happening in the field of pharmacy education. I had an opportunity to visit Malika Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya few months back, and I was very much impressed with the structure that has been provided throughout this part of the world. I think the idea that has been conceptualized by you all, especially Dr. Kalashnikar, is a wonderful one. We are going very close to industry.
We thought of doing some service, free service to the public here, especially by doing the blood pressure check and the sugar check, blood sugar check, and apart from that, the height and weight. And also, our pharmacists are there to guide the people who come here to visit this stall, informing about and inquiring and counseling them about the medications they are taking, and if they really advise the patients or the visitors require from the pharmacist's point of view. Our pharmacists, the professors of the institutions are stationed here from evening 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and they can provide the services, especially counseling the patients here.
Josna, Vice Principal of the Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya at Tarnaka. So in this exhibition society today we are opening our stall to create awareness of the people what is the pharmacist role, and this stall is opened by Professor C.K. Kokate and accompanied by our chairman, college chairman Dr. B. Prabhashankar sir, and also we are doing free health checkup here for the people to create awareness about their health. So we'll check here the blood pressure, random blood glucose, their weight and height according to their metabolic rate, what precautions they have to take. So I think this will be very useful for the public. Thank you, Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. So in academic year 1997 to 98 it started, and started with the B Pharmacy course, and later in 2016 Pharm D, and M Pharm. This academic year 21-22 we are starting the new PG courses, M Pharm courses like pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical assurance and pharmaceutical analysis. So for the admission, you can approach any time during 10 to 5. You can approach principal, vice principal or director regarding information about the courses.
नमस्कार। आज हम यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। हमारा सरोजिनी नायडू वनिता फार्मेसी महाविद्यालय का फार्मेसी कॉलेज है तारनाका में, वो एग्जीबिशन सोसाइटी चलाता है। और यहाँ पर फेस्टिवल मेला में हमने एक स्टॉल उपस्थित किया है, और ये स्टॉल है उसमें हम लोग फार्मेसी प्रोफेशन के बारे में एजुकेट करते हैं पब्लिक को, द रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट इन हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम, एंड और थोड़ी बहुत हम लोग सर्विस भी करना चाहते हैं ये फेस्टिवल मेला के दौर से, स्पेशली ब्लड शुगर चेक करने का, ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करने का, वेट है, हाइट है, और काउंसलिंग भी करते हैं पेशेंट्स को। जो एल्डरली पेशेंट्स हैं उन लोग अगर हमारे स्टॉल पे आए तो उन लोग जो मेडिसिन्स डेली लेते हैं और वो उसके बारे में उनको जानकारी देते हैं। अगर कुछ साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हुआ, कुछ एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट्स हुआ, तो हम वो फार्मासिस्ट बताते हैं, और कैसा लेना, कब लेना दवा, और मिस नहीं करना दवा लेने का, वो सब दवा के बारे में बताते हैं पेशेंट्स को, और उनको जो भी डाउट्स है वो हम लोग क्लियर करते हैं, ये काउंसलिंग करते हैं उसमें। सो ये 31 अक्टूबर तक है, हम लोग करेंगे ये काम, और अगले साल बड़ा एग्जीबिशन में भी हम पार्टिसिपेट करने का निर्णय लिया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।